This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
Just behind you can pass your desk will expedite our boarding process. Half the people dying while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
One spot left for the playoffs. Can someone win and get in? Denny Hamlin has been dominant at this racetrack. Hamlin in the 11 on the inside. He'll try to take the lead early, but here comes Byron back on the outside. Gonna be 2 laps, overtime. Presented by Credit One Bank. Chris Buescher fighting for a spot in the playoffs. Austin Dillon right behind him pushing, also trying to get into the playoffs.
The inside line has a lot of organization. That's going to push that 12 clear.
Harvick running second. A big shove coming from the middle. Daniel Suarez in the 99. He gets turned into the board. And they go into the roll.
Ryan Blaney. Because somebody read Kevin Harvick! You have to be kidding me!
On the speedway, Ryan Blaney.
I hope you enjoyed the first person video. Wow. I got beer on the camera. Kevin Harvick, so close! But, as they say, so close, no cigar. That is the Coke Zero Sugar 400 at Daytona. What do you think, Allison? Katie, Jessica, we'll see you at a race soon.